How to delete Patreon account. So if you want to delete a Patreon account, then you can't do that on your application and you don't need your application. You can open up your Google or your browser and you can search for Patreon. After searching, you need to just scroll down, go with www.patreon.com. From here, you just need simply go and sign into your account or log into your account. Go with login and then quick log into your account. Now after logging into your Patreon, you need to go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And then you need to go with your profile, go with privacy policy, and here on the bottom you will have make a privacy request. Tap on it, scroll down again and then tap on erase, which is erase your personal data from your account, and then you need to tap on allow. After allowing, it will again ask you if you really want to erase. You just need simply go with the bottom, scroll down and then go with request submitted successfully, or tap on erase and your account will be deleted. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.